Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Safari crashing or not working. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turn off tabs and clear Safari history. The first thing you can do is to turn off those never closed web pages and clear the cache stored on iPhone. And cleaning the tabs and data may help to explain why your Safari is not working. To do so, you can either turn it off manually by going to Safari and delete them one by one, or you can allow Safari to clear them automatically. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then find the Safari app, tap on it. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Close Tabs under Tabs. Since you have to clear them manually by default, choose to let Safari close those unused tabs automatically, and you are done. And the next step is to clear history. This is suitable for those who no longer need the search information stored on Safari. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Safari app, tap on it, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Clear History and Website Data. Double check before you continue to tap on Clear History and Data, or it will remove any browsing data completely, and you are done. And the next step is remove buggy extensions. If you add too many extensions to your browser, this will also cause your Safari to crash occasionally. Therefore, you can try to turn it off some suspicious and buggy extension to check whether they are affecting your Safari. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Safari, tap on it. Next, scroll down and tap on Extensions. If here you find extension, you can turn them off one by one, then exit to check if your browser works normally, and you are done. And the next step is toggle of Safari suggestions. If your Safari keeps crashing on your iPhone and there is search bar problem with it, it's recommended to turn off your Safari suggestion. This is reported to be useful for some users whose Safari acts abnormally and scrolls down when they are searching for something. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Safari, tap on it and then toggle off Safari suggestions. Then go back to see if your Safari is still crashing while typing, and you are done. And the next step is force restart your device. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button, and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update your iOS. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Safari crashing or not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.